It's the
Yes, ma'am.
blueprint of comprehension écrite.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this section, like in comprehension oral, there were 60 questions. In comprehension écrite, there will be 50 questions. Okay. So in total, there will be 50 questions. You will be given 60 minutes. 60 minutes to solve the questions. Now, in comprehension and creep, what will be included? Like in section A, there will be greeting cards, small messages, weather forecast, a kind of a card where weather forecast is given. Like itne degrees will be there in this dash dash degrees will be there in today, and it will rain today. It will be a sunny weather, whatever it is they would have written on that card. So and in this there will be big paragraphs also, big text, and you have to read and then you have to answer the questions. And there will be graphs also. Like in IELTS, we interpret the graph now. In the same way, there are graphs in comprehension écrite of TEF exam also. Everything will be in MCQs, okay, and you have to find the correct answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Section A. Section A. In section A, there will be 10 questions. There will be very short messages, like maximum 3 to 4 lines, maximum. Okay. Advertisements, job notices, postcards, kind of questions will be there. In this, what you have to do, identify the document, recognize the type, theme, and the source of document. Okay. Questions will be on this kind of only. That is it a invitation or is it a timetable? Question will be, is it an invitation or a timetable? What it is? A option is invitation, B option is timetable, C option is a message. Okay, so you have to choose the correct answer. Then question can be, who sent it? To whom? Okay, so it is the
Okay.
easiest section. Section A is the easiest section. Clear? Next is section
Yes, ma'am.
B. In section B, there will be 25 questions. 25 questions, and it will include graphs, news articles on the daily life issues, controversial issues, or professional letters. The complexity of this section will be some quite more than section A, but it's not that difficult. Okay, there will be graphs, news articles on daily life issues, controversial issues, okay, like political issues or some environmental issues, maybe, or professional letters. So in section B, what is important? That the document should be understood in detail. Okay. So general meaning and the context of the article should be understood. Next is section C. In section C, there will be 10 questions. Only 10 questions. This will include long messages. Like long messages can be in the form of text in which blanks are given and you have to fill the blanks. Options will be given to you. You have to choose the correct option with which we can fill the blank of the text. Okay. Or there will be long text which in which you have to read the whole text and then you have to solve the questions. This is the most complex part of reading section, and it is the most scoring part of the reading section. So in this section, what is important that the logic of the document is understood. You should be able to understand the logic. So in by section C is the most complex part because there will be complex words, there will be complex sentences, there will be phrases used, there will be synonyms used. So that is why section C is the most complex part. Okay. So next section is section D. There will be only 5 questions, and in this section you have to reformulate the phrases. Okay. How would you reformulate the phrases? Like suppose, do you know in English active voice, passive voice,
Yes, ma'am.
वही
direct direct sentences, indirect sentences? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So if in the question the direct sentence is given, like I'm giving this book, I'm giving this book to my professor. Suppose this is the question. Okay, I'm giving this book to my professor. So this is a sentence. Now the options will be given to you. Which sentence corresponds to this? Which one of the following sentence corresponds to this? Now which one of the following sentence mean the same to the given sentence? Okay, so options will be given. So my sentence was, I give this I give this book to the, what was the sentence?
Teacher.
I give this book, yeah, I have given this book to the professor. Okay. So what will be the sentence corresponding to it? This book has been given by me to the professor, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Both of the sentences mean the same. So this was in English. So in English it was easy. But in French also there are active voice, passive voice, direct sentences, indirect sentences. So in section D, you have to reformulate the phrase. You don't have to reformulate the phrase. You have to choose the phrase which corresponds it to the most. Okay, which mean the same. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now section A. Just a minute. So is the blueprint clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Any doubt in this? How many questions will be there? How to do anything in this? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. No.
Okay. So have you ever done section A? Have you ever
No.
No.
solved? Okay. Okay. So section A. As I just said, there will be 10 questions. This is the most easiest. This is the most easiest part of reading section. Okay. So what kind of text it involves? Short messages, small adverts, notice board messages, right? There will be very short messages. So what kind of questions will be there? Who writes? To whom? Timings. Reason for sending a message. The first question. Malka, can you read the question?
Oui. On peut en lire ce message dans une maison, sur Internet, sur une lettre, dans un train.
Okay. So, question is où peut-on? Malka, it will be peut-on. Peut-on.
Pourtant,
Yes.
pourtant,
Yes. Où peut-on lire ce message? Matlab means where one can read this message. Dans une maison. Liaison. You have to link, na? The sound of S to the next one.
dans une
Yes. Dans une maison. Sur Internet. Sur une lettre. Dans un train. Clear?
Yes,
ouais.
ma'am.
Okay. So in this is given. Montreal. Prévision pour le samedi 14 avril. Prévision means,
Prediction.
yes, forecast. Prévision means prediction, forecast. Forecast for the Saturday 14 April. Ensoleillé. Ensoleillé means,
Sunny day.
Sunny.
yes, sunny. So maximum 16 degrees, minimum 5 degrees. So this is one message that is given to you. Okay. So you have to tell me where you can read this message. In a house, on internet, on a letter, or in a train.
Sur
Sur
Internet.
internet.
Yes. Because obviously we can see this message in a house. Okay. Letter, no. Train, no. So what is left? B. Sur internet. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody having any doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, next question. Okay, Pawan, can you read the question?
Yes, ma'am. Où peut-on
Hmm.
trouver cette inscription sur
Yes.
un médicament,
Hmm.
sur un vêtement, sur un mur, sur une voiture?
Yes. So, this question is where one can find this inscription. Inscription means subscription also,
Yes,
and it has one more meaning. Please note it down.
Register?
Sorry.
Inscription. No, ma'am, sorry. Inscription.
Inscription is this
Written of
written message. Okay,
Okay.
written message. Okay, so what is the message? Lave ala mein a loaf ruat. It means
Wash with
with cold water.
cold water.
With cold water.
yes. Wash the hand with the cold water. So where one can find this inscription on medicine, medicament is medicine. Okay. Wash with the hand with the cold water. Wash with the hand with the cold water. On a cloth, on a wall.
On a cloth.
After close.
Yes. Easy.
Boy.
Any doubt in this question?
No.
No.
Okay. Clear? Shall we go to the next?
Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Kiran, can you read the question?
Oui. Si Dakuma est une faire pas une invitation, une carte de visite, une petite annonce.
Pratik? Announce.
Annonce.
Okay. Okay. So, fair part. Fair part means announcement. Announcement. Invitation is invitation.
Wait.
Next is carte de visite. Carte de visite is visiting card, business card. Business card. Next is petite annonce. Petite annonce is small advertisement. Small advertisement. Clear? Okay. So, Shahnaz, can you read the message?
Yes, ma'am. Bonjour, je m'appelle Jabin.
Gabe.
Jabin. Je suis né à 8h30 le 25 mars 2009.
Hmm.
Mes parents,
Mes parents.
mes parents,
Parents.
Jean,
Oh.
parents,
Hmm.
mes parents, Jean-Luc et Annie, sont
Hmm.
fous de jouer. Ma'am, it's too small.
Okay.
Jean,
Wait. I'm zooming. Yes. Now is
yes,
it?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Jean-Luc et Annie Lassalle,
Hmm.
3 Clos, le 13,
Hmm.
75 007, Paris.
Paris. I
Paris.
should understand. Okay. So, bonjour, je m'appelle Gabin. So hi, my name is Gabe. I was born. Je suis né means I was born. If you don't know, please write. Je suis né, I was born. I was born at 8:30, the 25th March 2005. My parents, Jean, Luc and Anne, are crazy of joy. Fou de joie means crazy of joy. Crazy of joy. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the third answer?
Fair pa.
Okay. Anybody
D.
else?
D.
D? A small
D.
advertisement? Okay.
D.
Okay. You know what is the advertisement? Advertisement is where, they are doing a publicity about a product or something like this. Okay. Here they're not
Okay.
doing any publicity. They're just announcing that Gabe is born and we are very happy. They are announcing. The announcement is
Fair.
fair part. Advertisement, in advertisement there will always be some publicity of any event, of any product or something like this. Okay.
Now my question is, what would be written on the invitation card? So
Okay. On
please come.
Yeah, it's a difference card de visite or invitation.
Oh, card to visit is a great business card.
Okay, okay,
You
okay.
must have seen business cards, no?
Yeah, yeah.
On which the name of the person is written with his or her phone number, his designation. Suppose if you're
Okay,
going
okay.
to some business or enterprise and you ask for their phone number, they'll give you that business card, no? That
Yeah.
this is our business card. You can go through this, and if you have any query, you can call on this number. So that's a business card. And Shenaz, you were asking what is the difference between invitation and fare part?
No, ma'am. I'm asking that what would be written on the
Okay.
invitation card, like please come or something like this.
No, no, no. Yeah, it might be like this, but they'll not say please. They'll just invite you. Like, nous vous invitons. We
Okay.
invite you. Nous vous invitons sur la fête, sur l'occasion, on the party, on the occasion, something like this. Okay.
Okay.
Here they are not inviting you. They have just announced that we have been blessed with a boy. Gabe is a boy, hopefully. So, okay. So it's an announcement. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody having any doubt in third question?
No.
Okay.
One thing, it's a fair part. It's a announcement, and even Patit announce. It's also announcement.
No, no, no. Announce means announce is advertisement.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Any other? Any doubt? Okay. So we'll start with fourth question. So, Kiran, have you read already, or your turn is?
Yes, third one.
Okay, okay. So Kiran, Shehnaz, Pawan, Maika. Okay, all of you have read now. Okay. Pawan has also read. Okay, so Maika, can you read fourth question?
Yes. Ces documents s'adressent à même Chevalier
Hmm.
M. Barthélemy
Hmm.
l'agence Europa,
Hmm.
même Chevalier et M. Barthélemy.
Okay. MME is not mem, it's madam.
Okay, madam. MME is madam.
Yes, madam. Like in English, we say miss or Mrs. Na, so they say madam.
Okay. And what they say for mademoiselle?
MME is used for madam as well and mademoiselle as well.
Okay.
Like in English nowadays, we don't use MRS, na? We use MS only for miss and for Mrs.
Okay.
So this document is addressed to Madame Chevalier, Monsieur Barthélemy, the Europa Agency, Madame Chevalier et Monsieur Barthélemy. Okay. So telephonic message this is given. So Pawan, can you read?
Message téléphonique.
Hmm.
Téléphonique date 30 30 2006
Hmm.
heure 11h14.
45.
Pour Madame Dominique Keller,
Chevalier.
Chevalier.
Hmm.
De Monsieur Claude Barthélemy,
Hmm.
Société Agence Europe,
Europa.
Objet, la rendez-vous est les, pour les 15 avril.
Yes.
15 avril.
Yes. The question was this document is addressed to. This document is for whom? So what is the
So,
answer?
Madame Chevalier.
Yes. Why? Because it's written
Says
for.
to
Who
pour.
means for?
For
Yes. Okay. So, okay. Let's start with this. Activité 5, question 1. Okay. So, Kiran, can you read question 1?
Ces documents ont une carte postale, un carton d'invitation, une carte de visite, une petite annonce.
Okay. Carte postale is postcard.
Postcard.
Next is carton d'invitation.
Invitation card.
Sorry?
Invitation card.
Okay.
For the invitation.
Okay. Anybody else? Yes, it's an invitation card. Whenever you have to give an official invitation, so it's an invitation card. Okay. We use carton de invitación. Okay. Next is carte de visite.
So visiting card.
Yes. And petite annonces.
It's a
Advertisement.
Advertisement.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So question 2. Shanaz, can you read?
Ce message a été écrit pour A. Donner des nouvelles. B. Inviter à une présentation d'objets. C. Inviter à faire un voyage. D. Annoncer sa nouvelle adresse.
Okay. So this message has been written for A. To give the news. B. To invite to a presentation of objects. C. Encite. Anybody having any idea of about encite? Encite means okay. Encite are fair. Encite means to encourage. So to encourage to do a journey, to make a journey. Next is to announce his new address. Okay. So, for your okay, so Malika, can you read this card given? Hello, Malika, are you there? I guess your mic is
Yeah, I didn't open the mic.
okay.
Sorry. Okay. Pour cadeau de Noël, Isabelle et Geneviève vous ont rapporté de leur voyage des valises pleines de surprises exotiques et parfumées. Exposition vente proposée par Pat et Candy. Samedi 11 et dimanche 12 décembre de 11h et 19h.
Yes. So the question is, for your gifts of Christmas, Isabel and Genevieve, these are the names of two people. Or vous en rapportez de leur voyage. Rapporter means
Report.
yeah, to report or to bring back. Okay,
Okay.
or to return. Okay, so Isabel and Genevieve have returned from the or Isabel to return something or to bring back something. So Isabel and Genevieve have brought back you their journeys of the suitcase full of surprises, exotic and perfumed. Exposition of wants. Wants means sales.
The
Sale
sale.
exhibition. Yes, wants means sale. Sale as a noun, na? The sale exhibition proposed by Pat and Candy. Saturday 11 and Sunday 12 December from 11 hours to 19 hours. Clear? Okay. So what is the first? This document is a postcard, carton d'invitation, visiting card, or a small advertisement.
Invitation.
Okay. Anybody else?
So invitation.
देखना एक बार इसका मैं थोड़ा समझ में आता है इसका हाँ इसका मुझे कंफ्यूजन लग रहा है स्लोली पढ़ो बोल रही है ना समझ में मुझे ना एक मिनट मैं तो सुन के ना लिखती हूँ क्या सुन के
Malika, your mic is on, I guess.
क्या
So, yeah. Any doubt you are having?
No.
नो
Okay, okay. Or Kiran, do you have any doubt?
No. No.
Okay, okay. So yes, question one answer is invitation card. Why it's an invitation card? Because they are inviting you to come on an exhibition. Okay.
Yes.
Question two. This message was written for giving the news, to invite at a presentation of objects, to encourage to make a trip, to announce his new address. So obviously answer is
Present objects.
yes. Okay, six. So Kiran, can you read
Okay.
question one and question two?
Quelle est la nature de ces documents? Une annonce publicitaire, un petit mot amical, un avis de recherche, une note professionnelle.
Okay. Next question two.
Quelle est l'intention Dese message. Vendre un animal. Retrouver un animal. Donner un animal. Acheter un animal.
Okay. So question 1. Quelle est la nature de ce document? Okay. Une annonce publicitaire. Annonce publicitaire is
Publicly. Announcement.
Publicity.
annonce publicitaire is an advertisement. Publicitaire is publicity related to
Yeah.
related word. So announce is advertisement. So a publicity advertisement or an advertisement. Commercial advertisement. Okay. Next is petit mot amical. Means
Short word. Friends.
short friendly word or short friendly letter. Okay. Next. Avis de recherche.
To search something.
Looking.
A small friendly notice.
Yeah, B small friendly notice. C. Avis de recherche is want
Risk.
missing. No. Avis de recherche. Wanted notice. Missing poster. Okay. Missing poster.
Avi means missing.
No. Avis means opinion. Avis.
Recherche means looking.
Yes. Recherche means looking. But avis de recherche, whenever they come together, it means missing poster or missing wanted notice.
Okay.
Next, une note professionnelle.
Professional notes.
Yes. Note professionnelle is a professional note. Okay, next is what is the intention of this message? To sell an
The
animal,
C one. Okay.
to find an animal, to give an animal, to buy an animal.
To find
It's
an
a find animal.
Okay. So, uh, Pavan, can you read this?
Yes, ma'am. Puppet c'est perdu le 1er avril. Elle est noire, les poils mi-longs, avec une tache blanche sur la museau.
Museau.
Si vous la trouvez, merci de nous appeler au 06 28 30 77 80 10. Non, 80. 80.
Okay. So, puppet. Puppet means,
Small puppy.
sorry, small.
No, it's a puppy. Animal.
Yes. Puppet, you can write it down also. Puppet is, puppet is used for girls also, young ladies, very small girls. And if you are saying puppy is Chiot, Chiot. 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 Or Pitu, Prtou.
So what is puppet? It is a small thing. What we have to write there?
Puppet is lost on 1st April. Puppet is used for girl. Okay.
Small girl.
Yes, small girl, a very small girl.
But here is
But in the
mentioned
second
about an
question,
animal.
all the options regarding animal.
But pupet is not an animal. It's either we use for doll, a baby doll, okay, a doll, a small doll, or we use it for girls, small girls, very small girls. Pupet is never used for dog or anything like this.
But maybe its name, they put the name of that.
No, I don't think. Pupet is lost on 1st April. She's black, the tail me long. I'll let you know about this Pupet, na? But it's not a puppy. It's not a puppy. Okay, I'll let you know about this. Definitely by tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
But in case if we don't even know, okay, so Pupet is lost on 1st April. She is black. The tail, sorry, the pual. Pual is fur. Fur. Knee long. Knee long is
Too long.
half long.
Medium.
Yes, medium length. Avec une tache blanche. Tache means mark with a white mark.
White spot is
Yes, yes.
Muso.
Yes, muso. Muso means face.
Sorry.
Face. Face.
Okay.
Face.
Okay.
Face. Face. Uh, if you find her, thanks to call us at this number. So obviously, first answer is it's a wanted notice. So first is C,
Yes.
yes.
and second is
B.
B. Ratruge.
Fine.
Okay, Shanaz, can you read question 1 and question 2 of
Yes,
next
ma'am.
activity?
Some document est professionnel, scolaire, personnel, publicitaire. Question 2. Quelles sont les relations entre Bertrand et Julie? A. Professionnel et élève. B. Frère, sœur. C. Mari, femme. D. Vendeur et cliente.
Beyond.
Cliente.
First question is this document is professional, scolaire, personal, or it's an advertisement. Next is what are the relations between Bertrand and Julie? Professor student, brother sister, husband wife, seller client. So Malika, can you read this message?
Wait. Bertrand, est-ce que tu peux acheter le dernier CD de Bernard Lavilliers pour l'anniversaire de notre petite sœur? Réponds-moi vite, Julie.
Yes. So what it is? Bertrand.
It's a brother sister.
Brother.
It's
Yes.
husband wife.
Why husband wife? He's
So,
saying
sir,
notre petite sœur.
Notre petite sœur.
Petit sir. Okay, so okay, sorry. I read le fille, not.
So petite sir is little sister, your younger sister. Okay. So question is, the message is this that you can buy the latest CD of Bernard Lavilliers for the birthday of our little sister? Respond me quickly, Julie. So second answer is prayer, sir, and first answer is
Personal.
External.
yes. Okay. So Pawan, can you read question 1 and question 2?
Yes. Cette petite annonce s'adresse à des personnes qui
Keval.
veulent
Yes.
rencontrer d'autres personnes, acheter une maison ancienne,
Ancien.
louer un endroit pour les vacances, trouver un travail à la campagne,
Okay. Pour les vacances and it's compagnie. G
campagne.
silent, compagnie. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Question 2.
Question 2. Laquelle de l'information souvient n'est pas mentionnée? La surface, la région, l'activité, le prix.
Okay. So question is, first question is, this small advertisement is addressed to the persons who want to meet other persons, to buy an ancient house. Louer. Louer is
Rent.
yes. Er verb to rent. To rent an endroit. Endroit means place.
Yes, ma'am. Pour la vacance.
To rent a place for the vacations. Next is trouver un travail. Means find a work. A la campagne. Campagne means countryside. Countryside. Okay. Question 2. Which of the informations following are not mentioned? Surface, region, activities, or price. What is not mentioned. Okay. Now, Kiran, can you read this? Lisez le document, Kiran.
Reference
Hmm.
80 this with 50
These with
this
means
80
80 is
sorry 80 with
hmm.
50 these are those person
Hmm.
sur a domaine de son means
Hmm.
superbe des murs de 600 mètres très joliment meubles à 10 km au sud d'Aix-en-Provence Provence de 19,90 $ à 3,690 $. Some
Parsimony. Okay, it's not
person
dollar. It's not dollar, it's euro.
pound euro.
Okay. So it is reference 8850. 10 to 12 persons on a domain of 100 hectares. Superb demure.
Demure means
Demure er verb है. Please note it down. Demure. Er verb. Demure er verb to dwell. To dwell. To dwell या to live, to reside. Superb dwell at 600 meters square. Very prettily meuble. Meuble is furniture, equipped. Meuble is furnished. Furnished. Next is at 10 kilometers at the south of Aix-en-Provence. From 1990, from 1990 euros to 3690 euros per week. Okay. So first question. This small advertisement is addressed to the persons who want or should be the answer.
C. Louer un droit pour la vacance.
Okay. Anybody else? What happened to others? Shanaz, Malka, and Kiran.
Ma'am, it's C. I think so, it's C.
Okay.
Because they didn't talk about the traveling of the work, finding a work, and the musician, and
Yes. Yes. So answer is C. Malka and Kiran. Clear?
But how we know that it's a tree one?
Yeah.
Sorry, Kiran. I didn't understand you.
It's a just a mention the
How do we know that it's for vacations?
yeah.
Okay. See, it's
It's
given
for
10.
it's a 10-year 12%. So that's
Yes.
why.
Yes, it's given a
And
10 to
it
12%.
also mentioned the price.
Yeah, they've also
and the
mentioned price per
something.
week.
Okay, okay.
Okay. And one more thing, Kiran. I don't remember if you have attended that class in which I told you, in the listening class, in which I told you that you, in case if it's difficult to find the answer, na, you should apply elimination method.
Yeah.
Did you attend that class? Okay. So
Yes, yes.
how to apply elimination method? First of all, read the text and read all the options. Okay. Then
Okay.
uh, avoid all those options, then subtract all those options from the given options which are not at all an answer. For example, if you see this, so you know it's not meeting of other people because it's not written here, right?
Yeah.
So A option is can never be the answer. So just cancel this option. Next, to buy an ancient house on a domain of 100 hectares. But okay, it could be. It might be the answer, but it's not written
Yeah.
ancient. It's not written
Yeah.
ancient. So B is also cancelled. Next is rent a place for the vacations. It can be the answer because it's written 10 to 12 persons and superbly resided from 600 meters square, very well furnished, 10 kilometers from the south of this. Whenever we have to go on vacations, we find the hotel or wherever we want to stay. We want that it should be on a central place. It should not
Yes.
be that far from the city and not too close to the noise, right? So it can be the
Yes.
answer. Okay, D option. To find a work at the countryside. No, it's not written about anything work or anything like this, right? So the
Yes.
answer is C. So whenever it's difficult to find an answer, apply elimination method. It always works. Okay, question 2. Which one of the following information is not mentioned? See, surface area is mentioned.
Yes.
Yes,
600
ma'am.
square, 600 meters square.
That's also
Yeah. Region is mentioned.
yeah. There is
Yes, ma'am.
so
Yes. Activities.
activities is not mentioned. We're not
No,
mentioned.
ma'am, not mentioned.
And fourth option is price.
Price.
Also,
It's
It's also
mentioned.
mentioned.
Yes. So what is not mentioned? Activities. So
Activity.
answer is activities.
Activities.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So any doubt in reading section of reading section part A? Any
No.
doubt?
No.